Magic Box, Episode 563, World. Save the world? Let's go.
The magic that spins round and round is a super cool ancient spell that's been passed down for ages.
What are you up to? Head-chan. I'm practicing my magic, and it's awesome. What kind of magic is it? I can call a magical box. What? I gotta see that. Round and round we go. Here we go. Magic box.
Dosen,
You called?
it's me, the magic box, with a big face and tons of spirals inside. All bent out of shape. Oh, this is bad. My magic is too powerful, and it's messing up the whole world.
If things keep going like this, I'll have to make a bunch of magic boxes to twist things back into place. Ready to fix the world? Let's make a magic box.
Here's what we need: a pencil, glue, scissors, some cool origami paper, and a blank box. We're gonna keep adding and taking away from this empty box. Want to close it? Start by marking with your finger, fold the paper, and join them together like magic. Let's make a cool sash with scissors. Once your sash is ready, wrap it around the base of the box. Once you've wrapped it all the way around, glue the end down nice and tight. Want to make a different kind of spiral? Give it a try. Make a bunch of them, then put them in the box, or stick them together as you play. You can also build a shape by sticking them in a circle. It's so fun to watch it bounce around. Want to try something extra cool? Put them inside the box or stick them on the outside. Now it's time for some twirling magic. Let's twirl two pieces of paper together first. Now, let's twist it diagonally. Looks like a collar. Next, stick it onto the box. Now twist the paper a little, shift it, fold it, and roll it up from the bottom. What do you get? A canteen-shaped spiral. Ta-da! This is another awesome spiral you can make. Stick it on your box for extra sparkle. There's tons of ways to make spirals. Why not make a whole bunch and see what you can create? You could even make a spiral that looks like a mouth. What kind of spirals will you make in your magic box? What do your magic box spirals look like? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.